Hello, today we are Wednesday, September the 2nd, and we are Wednesday here, so we're going to do the 3 branches. So I'm going to flip to the next slide so you can be able to see the worksheet that we'll be working on. If you can look for it within your packets, this is the one we'll be working on today, so it's in your packet also with the questions. 3 branches. The people did not want the federal or central government to be too powerful. The Constitution divided the government into 3 parts. The legislative part makes the laws, which is Congress right here. The executive part carries out the laws, which is right here. The executive, the president, it carries out the laws right here. And the judicial part decides what the laws mean, which is the courts. So right here, the courts are the ones that decide. No part of the government has more power than the other. So these are your questions. Number 1, does the executive branch carry the laws? A, yes. B, no. Number 2, the 3 branches. Which are the 3 branches? Circle all that apply. So circle from here, which are the 3? Number 3, what branches makes the law? Is it A, the legislative, B, executive, or C, the judicial? Number 4, who did not want the government to be powerful? A, is it the dog, B, the people, or C, the cops? And number 5, what document divides the government into 3 parts? Is it the Bible, the Declaration of Independence, or the U.S. Constitution? Once you have finished, if you can please take a picture of your worksheets and submit them on Teams, upload them to Teams. If you can't, you can go ahead and take a picture and send them to me. Please make sure that when you take the picture, the page, we will be able to see it with the answers. Try only to take the screenshot of the page itself. So let's get started.